Microsoft Forms is one of those tools that, in my experience, people don't realise that they've already got with their Microsoft 365 package. It's useful for collecting surveys, it's useful for internal forms, HR forms, things like that. It's useful for quizzes as well, where there are right and wrong answers. Let's have a little bit of a quick look around today at what Microsoft Forms can offer. So as usual, we start from Microsoft365.com, and in the top left hand corner we can click on the 9 dots. And under the 9 dots here you can see that I've got Microsoft Forms there. If it's not in this list, you can click on Explore Your Apps, and you can get to it this way, and you'll find it somewhere down in the productivity section. Clicking onto Forms takes you to like the Forms admin panel, and you can see I've got a few forms kicking around. If you click on New Form, you get a really intuitive drag and drop interface where you can do a new form. I can give it a title, today's test form. This is for, if I could type, gathering information. And I can add fields to that form. I can add some drop down choices. What is your favourite colour? Red or blue. I can make these, I can give these colours, I can make them have images. I can add more, I can add text, I can add ratings, I can add dates, rankings, I can make people upload files. There are lots of things I can do. I can also add, if I click into this, I get to add branching here. So based on what people choose, we can drop them into different areas of the form. It's quite a powerful system. We can brand these up using the style in the top right hand corner. And rather than make a bunch of new forms, I'll show you something that we use internally at Always Networks. We have an overtime claim form for our team, and they get to submit their overtime in here. And because this is part of Microsoft 365, as well as being a form for us to be able to use, we can hook that into other parts of the 365 ecosystem. So I'm not going to go into that today, but this overtime claim form goes through an automatic approval process where it goes to the management team to be able to approve that overtime, and then once approved goes to the team who pay people's wages to make sure that they get paid. So then that process all happens automatically using the approvals workflow within Microsoft. So Microsoft Forms being inside Microsoft 365 comes with a lot of benefits about it hooking into the rest of Microsoft 365. I hope this is useful to you. This has been this week's Tech Tip. I'm Nick from Always Networks. Thank you.